This recipe is in the fight against cancer and all other diseases. Hello everyone, especially those who are looking forward to be healthy. I know many of us like colorful things. In fact, the whole earth is full of colors. Nature is all about colors. So today I have brought before you two recipes that are very colorful. And I can promise you that your cell will be so happy to have these colorful natural vegetables in the system. This will give you life, to give you health and strength. And so, as promised, we have done some recipe in the past. This is another set of recipe I want to introduce to you. So I'm going to start with recipe 1, which is on my right. So what I have here is carrots, already chopped, cucumber, a third of a big cucumber, already chopped. This is lemon, just to give it some flavor. And this is orange bell pepper. I know you know about bell pepper. This is called utazi in Igbo. It's a bit pepperish. We just have about 5 leaves of this. And this is moringa, just a handful of moringa leaf, just the leaf. And this is going to be our first juice for today. So come along. For every juice, you should have at least, you must always have carrots, especially for the fight against cancer. You must always have carrots in your juice. Up to 70% of carrots and 30% of other vegetables. Carrot is very, very important. I have lemon all intact with the skin and everything. I promise you that this is going to be very, very nice. So, this should give us at least 250 ml. This is the quantity we got from what we have here. That's about 300 ml. And what you need is at least 250 ml, not more than 250 ml. Vegetables all have liquid in them, and this is the power. This is what gives you energy and brings healing to your body. It is loaded with a lot of nutrients: anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antioxidants. And what else can you ask for? What more can you ask for? We are done with the first recipe. We are going to the second recipe, and what we have here is carrots, as always. So I have carrots, I have a third cucumber, there's ginger for spice, and then we have the miracle leaf, about 3 big miracle leaf, and then 1 leaf of purple cabbage, and then utazi. These Igbo people call this utazi. Slightly bitter. So I have just about 5 leaves. Imagine taking this every day, colorful life plants into your cell. What will disease be looking for in your body? Like I said, no water added before you are watching. It's a concentrated liquid food for your body. I see that we are done with the 2 recipes for today. This is all about treatments, especially cancer. When you have cancer, your digestive system is compromised, so you don't need to load your digestive system with so much chaff. This has done a good job by extracting the liquid from the vegetable, and this vegetable, all the nutrients have been removed. So if you want some chaff or in your fiber in your system, you do the smoothie. But this is the importance of slow juicer. You didn't hear any noise. It doesn't emit heat. It does not destroy the nutrients, and the enzymes are all intact. So I would like you to order this. The number will be on the screen. Important announcement: my recipe book is coming out soon. I don't want you to be overwhelmed. And so just to encourage you and make sure that you choose. It's simple to understand, ingredients available. So watch out. Bye.